believe and please the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do you? But it goes like this: for the fifth, the minor fall and the major lift, the baffled king composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. But your faith was strong and you needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof, the beauty of the moonlight going through you. She tied you to her kitchen chair, she broke your throat, she cut your hair, and from your lips she drew the hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Baby, I've been here before. I see this room and I walk this floor. I used to live alone before I knew you. I've seen your flag on the marble arch. Love is not a victory march, it's a call and it's a broken hallelujah, 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 was a time when you let me know what's really going on below, but now you never show that to me, do you? But remember when I'm moving you, and the holy dove was moving too, and every breath we drew was hallelujah, 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 maybe there's a God above, but all I ever learned from love was how to shoot somebody who outthrew you. It's not a cry that you hear at night, somebody who's in the light.